Hi guys, this is Michael Luchies, and today we're going to talk about how to post on LinkedIn. Obviously in 2020, it is 2020, so let's talk about it. So you want to log in to LinkedIn first, and this is the screen you should see. This is your feed. If you don't see your feed, you need to click home. There's a possibility you could be on your profile. Just click the home button, and then you get to your feed. Once you're at your feed, you'll see what your network is posting, and you'll also see this start a post or write an article. Now, in this video, we're just talking about writing a post. So you want to click Start a Post. Here you get this text box that pops up, and this is where you can write whatever you want to post. Also in this video, I'm going to give you 5 posting tips too, but we're going to start with strictly how to post. So I have a post already prepared. I recently launched a course about working from home, a survival guide. And so I am just going to copy and paste the text for this post, and we'll see how it goes. Put it in there. Then just make any adjustments as needed. I would definitely recommend preparing your post ahead of time. It's easier for me to do in Microsoft Word or a Google Drive document just because that's what I'm used to. And then some of the formatting, this happens with articles as well in LinkedIn. The formatting's going to be a little bit off, so you'll need to make quick changes here. And then we'll be all set. You want to make sure the link takes if you did share a link. And the video button is there. Hashtags are in, so we are good to go. I'm going to go ahead and post. And here's my post. Video is there, full post is there, it looks good, hashtags are there too. So this will be shared to my entire network on LinkedIn, and then once I start getting comments rolling in, I'll go ahead and respond to them. Make sure to engage after you write a post. Once you post it, you're not done. Anybody that likes or comments, you should be responding to them. Now let's talk about 5 quick tips for posts. Number 1, post regularly. I would post at least once a week, preferably 3 to 5 times a week. This keeps your audience engaged, lets them know that you're committed to LinkedIn, and also helps you get out more of your thoughts, more of your messages. Number 2, have a set goal for each post. Now my goal for this past post was to get people to check out the Work From Home Survival Guide course that I created. Now this is a very important tip. Balance value and asks. So what you're asking for is your ask. And why I say balance value is you don't want to come off too needy or too salesy. So for example, in this post, I am asking them for something. I'm asking them to check out my course if they think it would be valuable to them. However, I'm also providing value in the post too. So I give 5 tips here, the quick tips, and also I'm giving an offer to anyone in my network, the first 10 people who message me through LinkedIn, a free access code. So I'm not just trying to make money. I actually do want to help them with this, and I'm willing to give them a free access to the course. So make sure to balance value. Always give value in your post, especially before you ask somebody to do something for you. Give them value first. Number 4, only tag others when it's relevant. A lot of people like to tag other people in their post to make sure they get their post. Well, you only want to do this if there's a reason to tag them. So if somebody had contributed to my course, then I might tag them and say, hey, thanks to Julie who helped me with the course, and tag her in it so she can share it as well. So be careful with that. And last post tip for today is include relevant hashtags to help your post reach the right audience. Obviously, I did that here. And they also recommend if you saw in that post box, there was recommended hashtags that pop up too. So I would recommend looking through those, clicking some of those to add to your post. I already knew the ones that I wanted to use, but they'll suggest some. And then I would also look at some other posts within your category, your industry, to see what other people are using, because the hashtags can really help people find the content, especially the people that you're targeting. So that's it, guys. That's how to post on LinkedIn in 2020, and also 5 tips on how to make the most of posting on LinkedIn. Thanks, guys.